Hi! So I just put a poll online, well, a few hours ago, about me starting a creative vlog, and the answer was definitely yes. So I am going to try to start my first vlog and let's see what it's about. But I have, I think, a very good thing to start with, and that's I just received a package from my local scrapbook store. I ordered something and it should arrive yesterday, but I wasn't at home. So the postman didn't deliver it with my neighbors and I had to wait until today. But I just picked it up from my supermarket and I thought, well, let's open it together. So here it is. Don't mind the mess on my desk. I just did a live video yesterday, so I didn't clean it up right after. And I have a funny story actually when I picked up my package, because I told the supermarket employee that I was looking for a box, a pizza box actually, but then she said I cannot find a pizza box. Well, this is not a pizza box. I was very surprised that it was not, but finally we found it and it's okay, so I still got it. I ordered from my local scrapbook store, Scrap Delight, and it's in here. Let's just throw all these extra papers away. I know, actually, when I came home, I realized why it wasn't in a pizza box, because I ordered this gorgeous tap punch, and as you can see, here's my hand, it's quite big, so it won't fit in a pizza box, so that's why. Okay, finally I found this. This is the thingy that you put on top of your adapter from my MacBook, and I didn't know where I left it, but I found it, so that's good. I always keep it on there. And Scrap Delight has a new thing where they pack their your order in tissue paper, so I really love it. And they have a very cute picture. Let's see if you can see it. Which sticker, I mean, which says pretty things inside. So we will open it in a bit. But first, my tap punch. It's from We Are Memory Keepers, and it gets a normal tap like this. And I love using taps, and I have two metal die cuts from the diamond press, and I always use them with my Big Shot, but I'm not that good in getting my Big Shot out of the place where I hide it and then use it and then put it back. So I thought a tap would be way more convenient. So yeah, the second thing I ordered, I love to use the tissue paper in my scrapbooking, so I try to open it carefully, but stickers, they do not work, so yeah, it's okay. I ordered 3 other things, and one of it is the gel press. I never worked with it before, so I am really curious what I can do with it, and I just want to have a play with it for in my journal and stuff. So yeah, I decided to go for the tiny one just to try it out, and if I want one I can always order a bigger one when I like it. So yeah, that one, and I ordered 2 DLS design stamps. I love them. One is a background stamp, and I love triangles. I know I say I love a lot, but I'm sorry, I really love triangles. So I really wanted that one. And the other one, my camera died. That's not very convenient. But what I was saying, the last stamp I got is Love You to Pieces, and it got a lot of phrases which you can put directly on your page or just put on a piece of paper and cut out and use as an embellishment. So yeah, I can't wait to play with all of these. It's Friday night. Well, actually it's 9:30, I think. And I was supposed to do some creative stuff today, but I am quite tired, so I did sleep already on the couch and I am now moving to my bed because, well, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna help at my local scrapbook store. And that's a 45-minute drive, something like that. And I have to be there at 10. So I thought, well, let's get a really, really good night of sleep. And then tomorrow is another day. So let's see what we will have tomorrow. Good morning. So it's currently Saturday morning and I am having my tea. And I thought I would show you what I like to do when I just got up. Okay, I already showered. Normally I will first have some tea and then I will take a shower. But I thought let's do it around this day. Because like I said, I have to go to Scrap Delight this morning. And yeah, I thought this might work a little bit better today. So when I'm having my tea in the morning, I also like to check my Facebook. Because overnight I always have a lot of, what's it called? Announcements? Announcements, not the right word. Let me know what the right word is. But I will show you. So here's my Facebook this morning, and as you can see I have 13 announcements, it's not the right word, and I'm already on top of my own timeline. So a lot of these are from groups I'm in, creative groups I'm in. Besides Facebook, I also like to check my YouTube, my subscriptions on YouTube. As you can see, I have a few new things to watch. Most of the things I subscribe on YouTube are creative. I have one other account which I'm following, and that's from Kaylin Nicholson. I really like her. And of course a vlog by Mr. and Mrs. Red, aka Inky Quill. So it's also creative related. So yeah, when I'm having my tea and my breakfast, I love to watch these videos. So I thought, since I didn't do much creative stuff yesterday and I didn't do my to-do list, I would do a voiceover right now. So let's start that. So I know I'm a little bit bright, but I'm in the car right now and I hope you can still hear me. I am on my way to my local scrapbook store and I'm gonna help them today because they're quite busy lately and they need my help. So I don't mind. Actually I said I didn't mind to help, so now they ask me. I offered myself. And well, I'm not sure if I am allowed to tell you what we're doing, so I won't. But I'll take you along with me on my trip. I just came home and I thought let's show you what I got at the store first before I start doing anything else, before I crash on my couch and can't do anything anymore. So let's start. And first thing you see, don't mind my PJs, I'm already in my PJs. I was tired and I thought let's change, and that's better for at home. But first thing you see is the rolling bag. By me, we are memory keepers, and I bought this one. I have a lot of events and a lot of events in the upcoming months, so I thought it would be very convenient to have one like this. So I just bought one, and the other things I bought I put inside. So I have to open it and see what it is, or to show you actually. And okay, and now here it goes. It's a surprise. Well, first thing, when I arrived in the store, I was like, I just finished, oh, I'm very bright, a little bit over there. Okay, this week I finished my ENG. It was empty and I was like, oh crap. And I looked in the store, online store, and there were no fillers for that. But today I was actually in the store and I found them. They were there. They added them yesterday, so it was a good thing I came. And I'm sorry for everyone else, but I bought the whole stock, so at least I won't be without any soon. So that's something I bought. I see the light is very changing. I think it has to do with me holding stuff up. Let's see how it goes. Another thing I bought is the mini tool by ENG Success. So that's one, and it's the 3 of 16 inch. I don't know how to pronounce that. Let's see if there's someone. Oh, it's in centimeters. It's 0.476 centimeters. So it's a small one, and I want to use it to make holes for mini books. And if you know you're going to the DLS event, you know I'm making a mini book for the event as an example. So I needed that one to finish my example. Something else I bought are 2 Tombos. I bought 2 colors I don't have yet, and one is 0.25 and the other one is 0.98. One is an olive kind of color and the other one is yellow. So that's something I bought. Then I added some to my oxide stock. I bought 2 new colors. Well, for me, new colors. And that are these. And this one is Evergreen Bow. Sorry, that one. I'm not a very green kind of girl, but I think I have to have green in my stash. So that's why I bought that one. And the other one is a Banded Coral. I really like that color, so yeah, I had to add it. Then something else I bought are 2 new stamps. Well, the first one is this one. It's called Butterfly Garden, and I really like this. It's a circle with some leaves, some butterflies, some text. I really like that one. So that's actually the reason why I bought it. I love that one as well. And the butterflies, yeah, we'll see if I use them. Probably I will, but I bought it for this stamp. So yeah. And the other stamp I bought is this. It's a sketchy grid. I already have a grid stamp, but that's really straight. And I really love that stamp. But for something else, I thought this might be very good. I love background stamps and I love grids. So, yes. Okay, last thing. In one of my videos, oh, I'm really bright again. In one of my videos, live videos, I talked about not having the plus sign washi tape by DLS Design. And I was in the store today and I saw this one. So yeah, I got it. I can use it. It's black and white, which is convenient for like everything. So finally I got it in my stash. And I will work with it. You will see it in my work. So yeah, that's everything I bought today. As you can see, my biggest buy was the rolling bag, and well, I'm really happy with what I bought. And all of the things I bought actually are things I can use more often. It's not just one thing. So yeah. Oop. Oh, I'm still here. Okay. I got an announcement on my phone, so I thought I was gone. But I think I was still here. But I bought only things I can use multiple times. So I think it's a good buy.